Hello guys, if you can notice, I click on deposit and what I'm seeing here is two options here, is buy with engine and deposit with engine. Rather, it's supposed to be p2p, deposit with engine and buy with engine, and this one. So right now it's only two options here, so I don't know if I actually want to log into my Binance right now. It's showing blank, so let me click here to show you another way you can actually get to your p2p here. So if you can see this update here, there is, just click on more and you'll see p2p here. And if you don't want to use that one here, you can actually come down to where you see fiat here. You now click on where you see fiat here. It's going to pop up an interface where you see wallet engine, card and p2p, and also cash link bank transfer. So what you need, if I click on my p2p right now, you will see that it's actually blank. It's nothing is going to show. You can see it's actually blank, unless if I need to change the currency to either US or another currency. So right now, if I'm on NGN now, it's not opening to me. So let me go back and show you something. If I click on cash link here, let me insert the amount and show you that there is an offer that you can, if your p2p is still working, you can actually buy and go and sell. You will make good profit. But if you want to sell, please make sure you don't sell to USDC. Make sure you click on NGN and sell it to. That is where you are going to make money. You buy here from Cashlink and go to NGN. Just click on where you used to see USDT and click on it. You will see NGN on your p2p and you sell to them. They are actually buying at the rate of 1.01. So you actually sell to them. So let me actually quickly show you this. Oji, good evening. So this one is actually working here. Let me say 15. Okay, let me say 16,000 naira. So with my 16,000 naira, you see I will be having 15,900 with a merchant fee of 100 naira. So let me click on continue to show you that there is a merchant right now. So boom, can you see that there is a merchant? So if we actually want to complete this trade, if your Binance p2p is still functioning, you can complete this and make cool cash. And please, I remind you again, make sure you sell to NGN. Once you click on your p2p, you click on where you see USDT there, it will pop up a menu where you see Binance, BTC, Solana and the rest of the coin. You now click on NGN. Once you click on NGN, you now click on withdraw and you sell to them, and that is all. And you make your cool profit and you repeat the market again. Okay, so I need to cancel this trade. I need to cancel this trade here. I don't know, this thing is not actually nice, because canceling trade is actually reducing my this thing. It's not giving me a good record here on Binance, but I just need to cancel it. But if your Binance p2p is actually working, you can put it on the comment section and try to let people know how you go about it, how you open it, because right now I'm as confused as never. I don't know what is happening.